So here's the corpus callosum, bands of commissural fibers which link the cerebral hemispheres. The fornix is the tract of white matter that forms the floor of the lateral ventricle and the roof of the third ventricle. The lateral ventricles, they're the chambers that are filled with cerebrospinal fluid. The septum pellucidum is the membrane that separates the two lateral ventricles. The interventricular foramina, that hole right in there, and that is the small opening that connects the lateral ventricle with the third ventricle. The third ventricle is just that space right there. Its walls are formed by the thalamus. The choroid plexus is a network of capillaries and epidermal cells located within the ventricles which produces cerebral spinal fluid. The hypothalamus is right there, and it's a region anterior and inferior to the thalamus, connects the nervous system with the endocrine system. It's responsible for temperature regulation and contains autonomic control centers.
Some of these go longer, but we only, once we take the spinal cord out, we have to rip some of the nerves to pull it out. So your catecholamine.
Oh, it also produces regulatory hormones which stimulate or inhibit endocrine cells in the pituitary gland, production of two hormones, ADH and OXT. Okay, the cerebral aqueduct. So it's that hole right there. Cerebral spinal fluid flows from the third ventricle via cerebral aqueduct to the fourth ventricle. The fourth ventricle receives the cerebral spinal fluid via cerebral aqueduct located horizontally in the line between pons and cerebellum. The flow of cerebral spinal fluid. So here we go. It starts at the lateral ventricle, flows through the interventricular foramina to the third ventricle, then it will flow to the cerebral aqueduct into the fourth ventricle. From here, it may flow into one median aperture or two lateral apertures in the subarachnoid space. So that's outside of the brain, or in that space surrounding the brain. Okay.